Test after assembly. Here we go. Quadlock motorcycle mount. So apparently on Amazon, they've been harassing me for a review of the Quadlock mount that Erica and I bought Caroline for Christmas. And what's the story?
Well, it might have helped if we hooked it up to the battery first.
Son of a bee! Where's the end of that?
I don't know, probably under the tank somewhere. Oh, here it is here.
There you go. So it's not going to work, ladies and gentlemen, unless you hook it up. Oh, okay. So we're going to plug it into the battery tender port. And woohoo! Live from the command center in Tryon.